We left Minnesota, we drove through North Dakota, and now we're in South Dakota, about to meet Anna from the Netherlands. She's gonna show us her town and tell us what it's like being on a high school golf team. Yay! We're going to meet Anna!
Hey!
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
How
meet
are
you
you
too.
going?
Good. How are you?
Good.
So I know you have a lot of memories and fun photos
do.
in your room.
Yep.
Would you like to show us?
Sure. Come with me.
Oh, look at this.
Yep. This is my room.
And
And my prom photo
This.
sign.
tell us about this.
Okay, so last week I went to prom, and it's like a tradition that the guy asks the girl with a promposal. So my best friend gave me this promposal, and we had dinner before, and of course we got ready. Dinner, went to the Grand March too, where they announce your name. You go on stage with your date. We had the prom dance, and after that we had post prom until 4 in the morning, but it was super fun. It was so fun.
So what's post-prom? Tell us about
Post
that.
prom is like the after party, and school organizes it, and you win prizes. We went to do the bowling alley, so we went bowling, and it's just fun to like see everybody. And it's only juniors and seniors, so that's fun too. And this is like my whole bookshelf with all memories and other stuff.
And this is you and your host family, right?
Yep, we went to Mexico in February, so that's a really good memory too. And here are all the Graden fights.
Yeah.
That's really
So, do you want to tell, for those who don't know what that is?
Yep.
Do you want to?
So when you're a senior, you graduate, and then you have a grad party. So you invite like everybody who helps you throughout your life or school life, and yeah, you throw a party for a few hours, and everybody comes and says hi, and yeah.
And that's what all these cards are.
Yep. And then
They're
you
invitations.
give out cards, and yeah. And I got those shoes from home.
And what's this?
So we had a banquet for tennis, and then my coach and I had an inside joke, because he said to someone, "Yeah, you're my right arm. Like, what would I do without you?" And then he had a speech about me, and then I said, "Oh, so I'm your left arm." So then he gave me the coach's left arm.
So, do that.
It's awesome.
Well, thank you for showing us this.
Yeah, thank you.
It's really cool to see.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah. Amazing. We're so excited to be here with Anna.
Yep.
Thank you so much for
Thank
wanting
you.
to share your story and for wanting to tell us more about it. And we're also super excited to see your town. You're going to show us around later today.
I will,
Yeah. But let's just start a little bit. And do you want to tell us why exchange? What made you want to go on exchange?
I want to go on exchange here because, of course, I've seen like High School Musical and all that kind of stuff, and I was just wondering what it was like to actually go to an American high school and to experience the high school spirit. And of course, I wanted to improve my English, that's for sure, because I was kind of insecure about it at first. But yeah, I think those are the main reasons.
Yeah, and your English is great,
Thank
so
you. Thank
it's
you.
done well. So you get your placement back in the Netherlands.
Yep.
And
Really early.
what goes through your mind?
I was so excited.
Yeah?
I was so excited. And I heard it was South Dakota. And first, I knew what it was, but I knew nothing about the state. And I looked everything up, and it looked so fun. I was so happy. I was so happy I got placed in South Dakota and not like the more popular states, because I feel like this is such a different America.
And then you hop on a plane and you fly all the way here.
Yep.
What was it like? And you get to the airport, and what was it like meeting your host family for the
It
first
was
time?
awesome. It was awesome. I came out of the plane, and they were already there when my suitcases were there, because it was a really small airplane. And they were all dressed up and having a sign too, and it was just unreal. It was amazing to finally see them in real life, because you've seen like pictures and stuff of them. It was amazing, and they were so nice to me immediately. So
Yeah.
I felt at home.
Anna's been wonderful to have here. I mean, she's someone she's so outgoing, and she makes you just feel comfortable, and our kids feel comfortable that very early on, everyone just is themselves around her. She naturally became a sister.
How was the first day here?
Well, actually, we went to the Black Hills first because that's where they picked me up. And then the first day here, it was just like a normal day. Yeah, it was not. I had to get used to like where everything was at. How I get breakfast and stuff. But they all helped me with that, so that's good. Yeah.
Was it hard adjusting to talking English all the time?
No, but sometimes like a Dutch word slipped through.
Yeah.
And I still have that till this day.
What's the transition been like moving in with a new family? And I know you moved in with quite a big family.
Yeah, and with younger siblings too. Back home, I'm the youngest. So it was a little different, and I really like it. I like the difference. And it's good to live with a different family because they have such different views of the world. And you are raised with perspectives and views, and then other people have different views. I think it's so good to see that everybody is different, and yeah, to respect that too.
Because you were coming from quite a big city, outside of Amsterdam.
Yep.
What was it like moving to Pierre, South Dakota?
It was different. It's so small here. I like it. I feel like it's really a community. Everybody knows each other. Everybody's like nice to each other. I like it. I really do. Yep.
What's different? What are the people like here?
The people are really outgoing, I would say. Really nice. They always say like, "Hey, how are you?" Or like offer you to stay for dinner or something. Like I'm not used to that back home. I really like that. Yeah.
Now you're in high school, which is really exciting.
Yes.
What was it like the first time walking into your American high school?
It was scary, and I was so nervous and so excited at the same time. Like you've been looking forward to this moment for such a long time. And of course, I only knew a few girls from my tennis team, but it was so fun, and my teachers were super nice too. Yeah, and everybody was like kind of asking questions too, because of course, small school, you're new.
Right.
Yeah,
Everyone
and
knows who you are.
and especially because you're not a freshman but a senior, so people know that you're new and they want to get to know you too. So that was fun.
So you said that you already knew some girls at
Yep.
school?
Yep. I
You did?
started tennis
Yeah.
before school started, and that was super fun. I got to know the girls, and I got. My first day at school, I switched some classes still, and then I had a different lunch, and I was stressed out because I didn't know anybody, and then I texted them, and I could sit with them with lunch, and they became my friends too. So I don't know what I would have done without them.
That's great.
Yeah.
And now you're doing golf.
Yep.
Do you want to tell us a little bit about that?
I've been playing golf for like 5 years, and now I'm on the golf team, and it's so fun to like go outside and play golf every day after school for like 1 or 2 hours. It's fun. It's like I don't know, and we go to meets like team bonding too with all the girls and my coach. So I really do like it.
Yeah, and especially now that the weather is getting
Yeah.
nicer.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
You told me that you guys got a lot of snow.
Yeah. We had to practice inside, and that was not as good as outside.
Yeah.
But it's clearing up right now, so that's good.
Okay. So what does a normal day look for you?
So I go to school, and then after school I'll go to golf practice, and then it kind of depends if I do something with my friends or not. Like sometimes we go to wing night, we eat wings or do something else, fun activity. And the school has a lot of fun activities too, especially in the fall. We had a lot of football games or basketball games.
And we always run over the sides.
I don't think I
Makes me so sad. I'm like, The best is
What was it like experiencing high school spirit for the first time?
Oh my gosh, it was insane.
Yeah.
Insane. We had football games, and I know my first football game, everybody was super rowdy. Everybody had those cheers that I didn't know, and everybody like taught me the cheers too and the dances, and it was so fun. And our team, like our school, actually got state football champion. So we went to a dome where like the game was at, and everybody was so rowdy. It was so fun. Yeah, that was so good.
And it's so amazing feeling like the community and
Yeah.
everyone's just cheering for your team.
And not
It's-
only the school, like parents, like grandparents, everybody talks about it. Everybody. So it's really one community. Everybody like, yeah, it's really good. It was
That's
so
amazing.
fun. Yeah.
Such a good experience to
Yeah, it
remember
sure is.
afterwards. So you mentioned earlier a little bit when we talked that you were struggling a little bit in the
Yeah.
beginning, making friends. Do you
Yeah.
want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, okay, so I'm in a city of 14,000 people, and everybody knows each other. Everybody went to the same elementary school and the same middle school and the same high school. So everybody has known each other since kindergarten. So when you're like 6 years old and they have their groups, and it's so hard as someone that's new to get in that group and get fully accepted and to get invited to things. So I was struggling with that a little bit. I'm pretty outgoing, so that was a huge thing for me that I thought it was really hard. But eventually, you just have to approach people and say like, hey, will you do this with me, or can you bring me there? And yeah.
And now you have a bunch of friends.
I do, yeah.
But so what's your one tip for people that are struggling to make friends or are maybe worried about making
High
friends?
school sports, that's for sure. Do a sport, even though like I've never played tennis before, and I decided to do tennis because what do we do after school, you know? So sports, just go to people, talk to people, be open-minded, like to everybody. Like don't be judgmental at all. So that's what I would say. Yeah.
That's awesome. So knowing everything you know now and having experienced living here for a while, what do you think are the big differences living here and living back home in the Netherlands?
The big difference is that it's really a city that's really tight to each other, and that you're pretty free. Like everybody's driving their car, and you can go anywhere. And I think, yeah, that would be it. That you can go anywhere, and nothing is too crazy or anything. Yeah.
Everything's pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Yep.
nice.
Yeah.
So why would you say experiencing your exchange here in a small town is better than anywhere else?
Yeah, because everybody knows each other. Everybody's so tight. When I go to the supermarket or the grocery store, I see someone I know. Like you can talk with someone. You know, everywhere you go, you meet someone you know, and it just really makes you feel at home if you know people. And yeah.
Well, thank you so much for
Yeah,
sharing
thank
all
you.
of this. And
Yeah.
I'm sure that if any of you guys have any questions about life in a small town or about going on exchange here, I'm sure Anna is more than happy
Yeah,
to
for
answer
sure.
those.
Yep.
We'll include her contact details
Yep.
below so you can reach her.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now
Yeah.
we'll head out and see
Yes,
more of your
exciting.
exchange here.
Yeah, thank you.
I know. There's river rats everything. You want like a...
It's been so much fun hanging out with Anna. She showed us the state capital of South Dakota, took us to her high school baseball game, and gave us some good tips on how to make friends on your exchange year. Now we're driving west to our next student. Make sure to subscribe so you can watch our videos as they come out.